And together we are the Craft Shed Quarters.
Hi. How are you?
Hi everyone, I'm good.
Good.
In the shop today.
Look what I've got.
I know, I'm loving it.
This is Wool and the Gang.
What colour is it? You picked the pink and I've gone for the reds.
Yeah. Have you seen it? Well, you have seen it because I know you've been doing stuff for me.
I've loved it.
Have you seen this? This is fabulous. Believe it or not, it's paper. It's paper.
And it's really durable as well because
and you can get it wet.
And iron it. I've ironed it.
Yeah, you could. Who'd have thought you could iron paper?
Exactly.
So this is Raffia. So there's ones which are self-striping, and then there's these ones with solid colours. Yeah, there's loads of different colours. I don't know if you can see those there. These pinks and lilacs, gorgeous.
And I like the natural colours as well. Oh, look at that cream. I didn't see that one before.
Yeah, the fab.
Oh, because cream's really into it with the teenagers and stuff.
Yeah.
So we've got every colour under the rainbow.
Have the patterns.
Oh yeah, we've got patterns as well.
So Wool and the Gang do their own patterns and they're brilliant. There's loads of photographs, there's loads of instructions, and Lisa, as you know, crochets everything, but she's been working through a few of their patterns. So we have some fabulous samples.
But the patterns also have
how
picture instructions and stuff like that, brilliant. Which really help. So yeah, I've worked on the two patterns I've done a clutch bag, and then I've done this like a Japanese knot bag, a vanish bag. So hold them a second, I'll show you what I've made. So the knot bag is this one.
So also so you've chosen,
I went with the green and the, oh sorry, I'm being attacked by wool. I went with the green and the palm. And basically stripe it, and it's a 2-row repeat and a colour change, and you make one handle a bit longer than the other, and then that's what wraps through. So
I do love that.
It was really fun to work with that, and it was
was it easy to work with? Was it easy to crochet
sometimes with? It's split, but the knack is it's a slightly different knack. You put your hook in and you have to flick it a little bit,
right? Okay.
On each stitch. Sometimes it did split a tiny bit, so it just went back in and then re-pulled it through, and it's okay. So that was a really quite fun one, that one. I think on the pattern they've done it with the black, which I think is gorgeous as well.
Yeah, the black's really nice, but I do like, that's brilliant for the summer. How lovely would that look?
Yeah, you know, it's quite a big bag as well.
Yeah,
and that was too bold. I went slightly bigger than the pattern.
Right, okay.
Because I wanted to make sure what 2 balls worked up with. Then I went for the clutch bag. I forgot to put the strap on, but hey. But I did some sewing.
Yes, I thought that was a lovely idea.
I'm not very good at sewing, but I did it myself, and I cut it with one of them whirly twirlies from your shop. What they're called?
A rotary cutter.
Yeah, whirly twirlies. So yeah, this was the little honey money clutch bag, but I forgot to put the strap on. But basically, it's just a rectangle, and you fold it and you seam it. But before I seamed it together, I just got a fat quarter.
And I think that's a brilliant idea, because that makes it into like a little evening bag. You could actually put a few bits and pieces.
Yeah, it's a little bit girly colour, isn't it? But that's what I had from the demo stock. And then I've been working on something of my own.
Yeah, I really like this.
It's a bit different. Yeah. Jack said, "Is it a lampshade?" No, it's not. It's a hat. It's a hat. That. No, it's actually a handbag, and I need to put the handles on it. But I went down a Pinterest rabbit hole one afternoon. And I saw, then it's basically, I think I got this from Amazon. It's like a plastic mesh wrap bag.
So you then cut the shape out?
No, it came as the shape. Okay. So I need to finish these bits off. So it came as a base, and then you had to sew the base onto the sides.
Right, okay.
And sew the sides up.
So did you put the raffia into the base before you sewed it together, or did you?
I made the bag first.
Made the bag and then you put it together.
Then I've done, it is crochet, but into each hole, you probably might be able to see it in there. I did surface crochet, so you put your hook in, pull it through. Right. So again, it was that flicking of the raffia. So it was just a bit of an experiment, but I think it's quite nice. So the handles, I've got some more yarn. I need to probably sew that bit there and finish that off. What do you think?
Do you know what would? I think I love those handles. Do you know what would be really nice if you got a round one? You could make like a project basket and that sort of thing.
Yeah. Well, I think you can buy these sheets. They're just like a plastic holey like a grippy sheet. I don't know. You can't
Well,
quite
that's stuff
see
you've
it.
got as children for doing cross stitching.
Yeah,
that
a bit
type
like
of thing.
that.
Yeah.
Yeah. But that was just a bit of a kit. So that was a bit of a Lisa. Oh, look at this. Let's have a play with that.
Actually, what are your plans? Because I know there's some
Yeah,
plans coming.
I have got
with
huge plans with this
well,
for
I can't
our
tell you which.
for our
Yeah.
July project. July summer.
Yeah.
And I just thought, what an amazing thing we can actually do and make and use this wool and the gang
It's
raffia.
just so different.
It's different, it's modern, and I don't think many people will have crocheted with raffia.
I can't imagine they will.
A lot of
I
people-
certainly hadn't. So.
A lot of people go, oh, we only crochet in the winter.
Is this a revolution, Lisa?
Yeah,
that you're
it's a
going
revolution.
to...
Yeah, don't crochet just in the winter. You can crochet all the time, constantly.
It's funny you say that though, because and don't hit me. You see, I kind of think of crochet as like a summer thing because I can pick it up, put
Oh,
it
is that
down.
your summer thing, right?
But
Or
winter
she's
is knitting because you're in
Right.
front of the fire.
Okay,
And it's,
I have lots of people. I can't use wool; it's too hot. So yeah, go. That's why I'm going to convert you all. You're going to use some of this raffia.
that blue?
Oh,
That's dark.
stop showing me things.
Sorry. How gorgeous is that? I do love this.
Yeah, I've got another one of these baskets, bag baskets. So I might go with that red or that blue.
Yes, you've always.
And make another one. But yeah, going back to July sub box.
Yeah.
It's on the hook.
Yeah.
That's all I'm saying. And it's going to be the wool and the gang raffia.
And I've actually, obviously, I've seen it and it's amazing. I don't know how Lisa dreams these patterns up because it is brilliant.
Actually, it's more of a dream because I do wake up at 1 o'clock in the morning and go, oh, wouldn't that be good?
Yeah.
Sad.
Yeah, no, it is brilliant.
Sad.
So, Wool and the Gang, come and have a little look. If you want to know anything about it, let me know.
Yeah.
If you're at any of our events over the next few weeks, let me know. I can bring it along for you to look at. And I can also bring along the bits and pieces that Lisa's made up
yeah.
so you can see what it feels
If you
like
don't
and
fancy
looks like.
crocheting, you can come in the shop and buy one of these because I've priced them up as well for ready-made for a gift.
Oh, God.
I
Yeah,
could always
oh,
make
God,
more,
inside.
you know what I'm like.
Yeah.
Right, Wool and the Gang, Dymphna's shop. You've got to have some. See you soon. Bye.
Head toss, check my nails. Baby, how you feeling? Head toss, check my nails. Baby, how you feeling?